Yo guys, what is going on? Thank you for checking out the video. So as you can tell by the title, today is bike build part 1 of the 2020 Yamaha R3. Today we are putting on the TST HyperPack, so it's got both integrated signals for the front, integrated rear tail, and I got the adjustable folding license plate bracket, so it's gonna look sick. So let's just get right into this because it's late and I want to see how this shit looks, so let's do it.
7 beats.
Yo guys, so quick breakdown on the kit I got. So I got the TST HyperPack for my 2020 R3. It is the integrated smoked taillight, also with the adjustable little license plate holder, as well as the Halo GTR turn signals for the front, so it'll just be integrated. It's gonna look sick, so let's just do it. We're gonna follow these instructional videos, so let's go. What do you think, Pebbles? Huh? Alright guys, so these are the two signal wires, just remove them. Now we're going to remove this and get this all torn off here. Alright guys, so I just dropped the shit out of my camera. It's bound to happen all the time when I'm doing these bike builds, but we have got the stock taillight off. This is what's replacing it, the TST one. Completely different. We're gonna get the grommets moved over from this one to this one, then we can throw it on the bike. So let's do it. Wired up. Almost fell. But yeah, just to test it quick, this is how it looks on the back. And smoked color looks sick. This will just be a little test. Hopefully everything works normally. Ooh. Hyper flash, that's normal. Let's go. Alright guys, so now we're setting up the adjustable license plate thingy right now. So let's do that. Guys, so this is how she looks. That ugly old fender gone. I know it's terrible lighting, I'm sorry. We'll get better lighting in the morning. Totally clean rear end.
That's what she said.
Looks very nice. Got the adjustable plate on there. Alright guys. Oh, almost dropped you. Shit. Alright, to fix the hyper flash, we got this little relay. So we'll just throw that on here and should be good to fix that. It's that easy. Just literally clicking it in. It turns out the hardest part of this install was just getting this stupid freaking thing hooked on, but hopefully that fixed the hyper flash. So let's try it. It did. Beautiful. Alright guys, so we've got everything installed. Now just time to put the bike back together. And it looks sick already. We're not going to do the turn signals tonight. We're going to do them tomorrow at some point. But yeah, she's looking pretty good. I'll give you the final product after everything is back together. Alrighty guys, so just like that, TST taillight is complete. Bike's all back together. We got the adjustable fender eliminator as well. She looks sick. Alright guys, so it is a few days later and we are back in the garage working on the bike. couple things have happened since I last was in the garage. I actually had surgery on a hernia, so that's super sick. I was out of it for a little bit. It's like 3 days since the surgery, doing a lot better now. Still moving kind of slow, but we're going to go ahead, get the front signals installed because these are so freaking ugly. So let's do that. Woo! Alright guys, so as you can tell, these are removed super easily. And the way the new ones go on, so you put the halos in, and you basically slide this ratchet over it, and it ratchets together and just basically just clamps it to the side fairing, so it's pretty simple. So in terms of modes for the brake light, there's 3 different turn signal modes, and they're just like a normal flash, a hyper flash turn signal, and then a sequential flash. So there's 3 of them, and you can pair them all with the hyper flashing brake light or just a normal brake light. So I'll show you how you do that. There's just a button on the inside here that you press. This is mode 1, mode 2, mode 3, still the hyper flash. And then it just goes into normal. So this is the normal with nothing else. Alrighty guys, so that does it for the TST HyperPack kit. Only thing I didn't technically install was the license plate light. I'll do that eventually, I just have no rush. There's also no pre-cut hole in my kit for the wires, so I don't know if that was a mess up or I'm just missing something, but regardless, she looks so much better with these flush mount signals, as well as the rear. Let's get some better light here. There's just nothing on the sides now, looks so good. Got that R6 type rear end, and just completely flush mount turn signals. So anyways guys, if you liked the video, please like, comment, subscribe. Sorry this one wasn't as crazy and there wasn't any riding. Like I said, just had surgery. We'll get back to it soon, just a few weeks. We do have an exhaust as well as bar and mirrors coming, so keep an eye out for that video. Otherwise, I'll catch you next time. Peace.